In this video, I'll show you exactly how to set up OBS, connect your YouTube channel, choose the best streaming settings, and go live step by step. First, open OBS Studio. Once OBS loads, look over to the bottom left corner. This is where you'll create your scenes. In the bottom left corner, click the plus button under the Scenes panel. Type a name for your new scene. Then click OK. Now move to the Sources panel just below. Click the plus button. For this tutorial, we'll keep things simple. Select Display Capture. Then click OK. Choose the monitor you want to capture. Finally, click OK again. Your screen should now appear inside OBS. Next, move to the bottom right corner. Click Settings. This is where we'll configure everything before going live. From the left side menu, click Stream. Next to Service, select YouTube. The easiest way is to connect your account directly. So click Connect Account. Choose the Google account connected to your YouTube channel. Then select the channel you want to stream on. When OBS asks for permission, click Continue to allow access. Once that's done, your YouTube account is connected. Now, from the left side menu, click Output. Make sure output mode is set to Simple. Then stay on the streaming section. Now we need to choose the correct bitrate. Before choosing a bitrate, you'll need to know your upload speed. Open your web browser. Then visit speedtest.net. You'll find the link in the description below. Click Go and wait for the test to finish. The most important number here is your upload speed. Go back to OBS. In the streaming bitrate box, type your chosen bitrate. For example, I'm using 8,000 kilobits per second. For the audio bitrate, I leave it at 160 kilobits per second. If your computer has a hardware encoder such as NVIDIA NVENC, select it. Otherwise, you can use the default software encoder. Once you're finished, click Apply in the bottom right corner. Now, from the left side menu, click Audio. Make sure the correct microphone is selected. If you're using an external microphone, double-check that OBS detects it before you continue. Next, click Video on the left side. Under Output Resolution, choose the quality you want viewers to see. For most creators, 1920 by 1080 works perfectly. Then set your frame rate to 60 FPS for smoother video. If your computer struggles while streaming, you can lower the resolution or switch to 30 FPS. Once you're finished, click Apply, then click OK. Back in OBS, move over to the right side. Click Manage Broadcast. A new window will appear. Now enter your stream title. Add a description if you'd like. If you have social media links, you can add those as well. Set the visibility to public. Choose if you want everyone to see your stream. Then select whether your stream is made. Next, upload your thumbnail. When everything looks good, click Create Broadcast in the bottom left corner. Now open YouTube in your browser. Move to the top right corner. Click your profile picture. Then select YouTube Studio. Once YouTube Studio opens, move to the left side menu. Click Content. Then click the Live tab. You'll see the broadcast you just created. Hover over it. Then click View in Live Control Room. This lets you monitor your live stream while you're live. Everything is now ready. Go back to OBS. Move to the right side. Then click Start Streaming. Within a few seconds, your live stream will be live on YouTube. Now you can launch your game, share your screen, or start talking to your audience. When you're finished streaming, return to OBS. Move to the right side. Then click Stop Streaming. A confirmation message may appear. Simply click Yes. Your live stream will end immediately. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more OBS and YouTube tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.